Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue. Hi, today I'm going to make a gluten-free flour blend from really simple flours that aren't too expensive to buy. So I've been inspired by a UK blogger called Loppy Whisk. So I've got a couple of friends here in Sweden that are both prefer to eat gluten-free. So this is what I do for them. So it has corn flour, potato flour and rice flour. I'm going to make a 500-gram batch today, so let's get started. So I like to sift it all about 3 times just to blend everything together. So the rice flour I've got 250 grams, the potato flour I've got 150 grams and 100 grams of corn flour. So all I do is I sift it onto some baking paper and then I keep repeating the process. I've also been testing another one with sorghum and buckwheat flour, which I'll also share shortly. But this one I'm going to share in a gluten-free matcha cookie recipe very soon. So keep an eye out for that. And with these 3 flours, I find I can just buy them at my local supermarket. They're not too hard to come by. When you start adding in different flours like sorghum or buckwheat or teff flour, it can be a bit tricky to buy them just at the local supermarket. I'm going to pour that into the bowl and do another sift. That's it. That's my gluten-free flour blend made at home from simple flours. Let me know if you give this blend a go. Pop a comment below if you've got another blend that you prefer to use. This one's got no xantham gum, nothing too tricky. Thanks for watching. Stick around, I'll pop some links to some gluten-free recipes up above and I'll see you next time. Bye. And today I'm going to share how to make a homemade gluten-free flour blend.